Hey Jackets, it's Mrs. Young, your librarian here. I wanted to show you a great new database that we have access to. So first thing that we need to do is go to macandvia.com and then log in. Under site, we're at Rockwall High School. And then your user ID will be your student ID number as well as your password. It will also be your student ID number. I'm a teacher, so my login looks a little different. And teachers, if you need to know your login, you can email me and I'll be happy to give that to you. So we have lots of good things in macandvia: ebooks, databases, audiobooks. We're going to go to databases. Now either you can look alphabetically. The one we're looking for today is LearningExpress Library. Or you can go over here and search for LearningExpress. We're going to click on Open Now. Oh, I hate when that happens. One more time. Alright, so LearningExpress is a little different in that you do have to sign in and register to use this database. If you come over here to register, and just fill in your information and create a password that you're going to remember, and register, it should let you right into the database. But every time you use this one, you do have to log in because it'll save the test, that's your practice test in here. So you do have to sign in. So I'm going to log in. And you can see here, every time you log in, the first thing you see is my center. So I have one test that I started practicing, and it'll keep those all here, and as well as your other things that you use within this database. So if you go up here to centers, you can see all the different test prep simulation tests that it has. It has lots of great stuff here, from ACT, PSAT, National Merit, SAT, all the AP tests, lots and lots of good stuff. It even has like math and science, English, social studies, AP, as well as STAR practice test prep as well. So let's take a look, because they're all generally formatted in the same way. So let me show you how that works. So if we're going to go here to the ACT, scroll down, and I want to practice the math for ACT. I click on that. There are 4 different tests that I could practice here. So you just choose one. All of the tests have 3 different test modes. You can either do simulation, which is where it'll let you view the answers to help you study. You could do practice, where it shows you the timer, but the timer doesn't stop the test if you run over, just to help you get used to it being timed. And then the learner mode, it has the time and it will actually stop the test if the time runs out. So you can choose which one would best work for you. And then you just start the test. And you go through and just answer whatever you want to do. Then even if you're not done, or if you do want to score your test, you can. You can click Save and Finish Later. You can save or you can close without saving. It's up to you. But if you save it, it's going to be added to your My Center up at the, here you can see My Center, and I've started 2 different tests. So it saves them for you here under your name when you click on My Center. It saves the test for you so you could always come back to them and practice them. Now the scores are private. Nobody else can see your scores. You can print them out if you wanted to see your scores for the practice test. That's up to you. But again, there's lots and lots of different test prep here. Be some great practice for you when you're getting ready for all these important tests that you have to take in high school. Thanks, you guys.